Hey, what's going on, guys? I go by the name of Doubtfire, and in this video, I'm going to go over how to perform a VLOOKUP in Google Sheets. VLOOKUP isn't as scary as it sounds once you understand how the formula is broken down. And the goal of this is to help search for a value in one table and put the related information that we're looking for into a new column. So for this example here, I do have just a made-up column here. We have column A, product ID, column B, product name, C is price, and on the right side of my spreadsheet, I want to type in a product ID and automatically pull in the matching product name and the price. So I'm just going to pick this box right here, and I'm just going to start typing the equal sign and then VLOOKUP. And then I'm going to put the parenthesis in there, and it's going to start suggesting what you need to put in for your formula. So the first part of the formula is the search key, and this is the value that we want Google Sheets to search for. So in my example, my product ID is entered into cell E2. So I'm going to go ahead and click E2, or you could type it in, and then go ahead and type in a comma. And then the next part is the range, and this is like the range of information that we want the VLOOKUP to search. So I do have a master table on my left-hand side. So I am going to go ahead and select all the cells that have actual data in it. So I'm going to go from A2 to C6. And then I'm going to go ahead and type in another comma. And then now I need to tell Google Sheets which column actually has the answer that we want. Since I'm looking for the product name, I'm going to go 1, 2. So this is going to be the second column. And then I'm going to go ahead and type in another comma. And then the last part of the formula asks if we want an approximate match or an exact match. You're more than likely going to want an exact match, so we're going to go ahead and type in false. Then you can go ahead and close the parentheses and hit enter. So then we know that if we are looking up E2, this P1003, from this table, it is going to pull up the name of the product, this USB-C hub. Another example would be if you're looking for a product name and you want to know the price or the lookup product. So you can go ahead and once again type in your VLOOKUP formula, and then the side parenthesis, your search key. We're looking up this USB-C hub. So that's going to fill in as F2, and then you're going to want to go ahead and select the range of whatever table you're working with, and then hit comma again. We're going to type in 3 since we're looking for the third column. And we're going to go ahead with false. Once I hit enter, it's going to generate $39.99. Another helpful tip is to lock your table if you plan to copy the formula down multiple rows. So this one automatically did put in dollar signs for me right here. Here, if I want to go ahead and lock it, I would just put the dollar signs between these right here. The dollar signs keep the table range from moving when the formula is copied to another cell. I have a brand new sheet here, and I'm interested in finding the price of this P1003 product ID. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in the equal sign and then VLOOKUP, the parenthesis, and the search key is going to be your A2. And then I'm going to hit comma. And then the range is going to be from the original table that is on sheet 1. So I'm going to go ahead and click back there and select the range right here. And then it's going to reference sheet 1 and then the boundaries of the table that we're at. You want to go ahead and click the comma. We're looking for the price, so we know it is in column 3 or column C. And we want an exact match, so we're going to type in false and close that parenthesis, hit enter, and you have successfully pulled up the price of product ID 1003. If this video did help you out, please drop a like, consider subscribing if you're new. Have a good one.